Hello friends, so here we will discuss some quantitative aptitude problems. This would be a miscellaneous kind session and some simplification, number series, missing number, wrong number series, some word problems, one DI set we will also solve here, and let us understand what should be the best possible approach in a prelims kind examination. Basically, in time pressure, at times it happens that people get nervous and could not able to give the best shot in the exam. So for that purpose you have to have a good knowledge about the particular topic, and the concept wise clearance is very much important, okay, because there is sometimes time pressure comes and sometimes you feel that if in some questions you just feels a struggle some situation, then everything goes for a toss. That should not happen. Irrespective of whatever the situation comes in any particular question, you feel that everyone may feel the same situation, right? Don't get yourself anywhere less that no, I can't get it, okay? That's absolutely a wrong sense. Always think positive. Whenever you are going to take some examination, that should be the best possible attitude and get the best out of it from that particular day in the respective exams, okay? So SBI PO exams is already there. A few of you has already taken the exam, but yes, my concern here is that solve some problems so that you can get better at it at the upcoming examination, okay? So that is the main theme of this session. So now moving to the first slide here, see some simplification question is here. Please try to solve it first. I am giving you here 3 minutes and solve it by your own. We will discuss it after 3 minutes, okay? Start. Okay, so here is the first question. Question number 1, 17 square. Okay, just I am solving in a particular way that should be the best possible approach as a candidate in the exam. Okay, 17 square, this is 289 plus 6 into 169 minus 6 means 1272. So you can solve it, that is okay, but can we apply something different, that is unit digit and digit sum, right? So what we will employ here, first unit digit. See, 9 is 8 gone, so 8 plus 10, that is 1, plus 6 into 9, 7 minus 9, that is 3, 6 into 7, 42, that is 6, so 1 plus 6 minus 3, that is 4. Let's check the options, which option gives unit the digit sum, that is 4. Now this is 3 plus 4, 8, 10, no, 2, no, 9, 1, 9, 7, no. So only option A is the correct choice. Do not need to solve the questions in a detailed manner. Just following the pattern, that is whether unit digit or digit sum satisfies the given condition, and if it gives only one option is available there, then definitely that should be the answer, right? So that is it. Now you can also check the unit digit here, that is 9 plus 6, 9, 3, 3 and 3 minus 2 unit plus, that is 1, and 1 is here, right? Okay, now moving to next question number 2. So 5, 10, 11 by 5 in percentage form, that is divide this 1500 by 100, that is multiplied by 15 plus 32%, that means 16 into 29, can you write it, that is 14.5 is here. If we emit the percentage part, if we remove this percentage here, right? So divided 1450 by 100, that means 14.5. If we take it in integer form, multiplied by 2 this part, so you have to divide this part by half by 2 multiplied by half, that means 16 into 29. Okay, next 1066 minus 15% of 20, that means 28, 10% and 14, that means 42, right? And divided by 8, that means minus 8, that means 4, minus 4, this is 4, is it correct? 28 and 14, that is 42, 15%, that means 10% is 28, and 5, that is 42. What is happening here? This would be 1 0, this is minus, this is minus. Okay, so this is in overall value. Right, this whole part divided by 4. Okay, yeah. So this is by 2, so this is 1024 plus 16 into 29 plus 3, 33, right? Now again use digit sum, that is 6. 6, 9, 2, this is 7. 7 into 2, 14, means 5. Plus this is 32, 5. 5, 5, 10, 6. 6. Tell me the answer of this question. What is the answer? Okay, so this is not plus. Okay, yeah, you have to do it quickly, but yes, do not do any mistake. This is 1066 minus this is, what it will be? This is 42, right? Okay, now divide by 4. Okay, so this is 32 divided by 4, that is 8, right? Not 5 but 8. The digit sum we are dealing with, right? So this is 9 and 7 into 2, 14, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so this is 8, right? So 8, 6, 11, 11, 9, and this is 33. This is 5 into 15, 33, 16 into 29, right? So this is 7, this is 7 into 2, that means 14, 14, 1 plus 5, 4. That means what it would be? That means this is 32, 32, this is 8, right? This total value gives 8, and this is 5, this is 6. So 6, 3, 2, that means 1, right? Okay, so if 1 is there, 9, 6, so 469 is the answer. Okay, again check it, that this is 32, means if we calculate this, this is 33 plus 290 plus 145 plus 29 plus 8, that means 37. 37 if added to this, that means 182, 182, 323, right? So it will give us some calculation error is there. Okay, we'll coming this part later. Let's moving to next. This should be the approach. If you stuck in any question at the very first moment, leave it for the time being, and we will come it later part. Okay, just some slight confusion is there, we will check it later. This is 170, 25% plus 16%, that means 500%. If we take just shift this percentage position from 16 to 525, and this is 500%, that means 100% 16, 500%, that is 80, and this is 4 minus this is, if I take 500%, that means 100%, so this is 11, right? 500%, that means 100%, so 500%, that means 110, and minus 50%, that means 11, right? You have to take the minus of this, that means 10, 99 in minus 84 plus 170, 170, that means this is 71, so 155. Yes, option B is the answer. Moving to next, 7878 divided by 26 multiplied by 13, and this is 2, 3939 minus 333. What it would be? 3606. Yeah, so option A is the correct one. Moving to next, 123 multiplied by 8697 223. So 8697 divided by 223, it can be divisible 3 times, so 669. So 2007. Unit plus 3 is here, 7 is here. What could be the possible multiplication? That is multiplied by 9. 2 into 9, 18, close to this. Definitely it would be a satisfied one. So 39, here it is. So 123 multiplied by 39 minus 36. Now again you can check digit sum. 3, 5, 6 multiplied by 3, that means minus 0, 9, 0 minus 0, that is 0. Now see, 7, 14, no. 9, 5, no. 6, no. 7, 2, 9, 7, no. So 72 is the answer. Understood? By employing the digit sum, you can solve the questions very, very easily. That's it. So now again see here some issue. There is some issue. Only digit sum always may not serve the purpose. Why? You can always check the digit sum as well and unit digit. See here, this is 123 into 39 minus 36, right? And this is x square, right? So x value, what it comes, is not serve the purpose, right? So you have what the value, this value comes, which is x square, but you have to find out x value. So you have to solve it. No options is available there. You have to solve it. Okay, we will solve it. So 3690 900 108. This is 27. So this is 7 19 7 4 4 797 minus 36. So it will give 4761. 4761. Last 2 plus, that is 61. 61, any cube value gives 61. That means, yeah, 19 square gives 361. That means if we take, it is 50 more than 50 square. 50 square is 2500, right? So if we take 50 plus 19, that means 69. Option is also there. Let's check it. That 69 square, that means 19 more than 60. 50, that means 361 should be here, 19 square, and 19 plus 25, that means 44. As the individual box would not carry more than 2 digits, that means this 3 transferred to this and added to this part to 44. That means 4761 is the answer, is the verifiable one. That means the value of x is 69, right? What I was doing earlier, that is this is the x square value comes. Okay, so this value, depending upon this x square value, you cannot mark the correct answer because it is asking the question mark, not the square value, right? So that is it. Now okay, just check it once. Just check this question number 2 once. I hope by now it would be okay. Sometimes it may happen during the examination pressure, you may not get the very where you are getting stuck. Okay, that kind of stuff, it sometimes happen that you may not be seen, but yes, you should not deal it like this. Just having a careful look and you can easily solve it out. Okay, so yeah, just 32 into 14.5, I am just writing it here, 1066 minus 42 and divided by 4, divided by minus 4, right? Okay, so this is 33 plus 16, 29 plus 1024 means 32 and divided by 4, this is minus 4 means 8. So 33 minus plus 16 into 29 minus 8, what it will be? If we take the digit sum, that is 6 plus 7 into 2, that means 5 minus, okay, so minus 3, that is 3, right? So 499, no, this sum not 9, 9, yeah, it can be, but here 2, here 1 is left, no, and here 6, 1, no, 8, 1, 3, 5, no, yeah, only option B is the correct choice. Understood? Yeah, sometimes it happens that in front of your eyes and can't mark the correct answer, and you can't see that this is a positive or negative is given. Even if it's given a positive value, you are writing it negative. So be very aware of this fact that you should not make any mistake by writing the number or writing the symbols there. Okay, be very careful about this fact. I have done that particular issue here, but you should not do it. Okay, that's it. Even I should not do it here, but that happens. Okay, yeah. Here is the next set of questions. Here is a number series. Okay, just look at this and see if you can answer it. See what we will look at here. That is, here is 18, 94. Some always think that this is multiplicative of 5. This is 47. So 4, 3, 15, 45. 15 into 5. So 78. Yeah, multiplied by 2 into 1. Somewhere we can get a direction that in which way we have to move, right? So see, if this is the case, just write it down and see if we get the correct logic by employing this. This is 78 into 2 plus 156 means plus 3. That means 159. Now 159 into 3 plus what should generally come here? What should it be? The logic follows that this may be 5. That means 160, 159 into 3, you can multiply 160 by 3 and minus 3. Okay, so 477, right? So 477 plus 5, that means 482. Now you can understand that this is 482, 472 and 482 is here. Let's move to next. 482 into 4, that gives again 500 minus 18. So 41872, 500, that means 4872. So 1928. This again gives that this value is also wrong. This value wrong, this value wrong. In any question, both of these number can't be wrong, only one number would be wrong. So let's leave it here. Maybe there are some logic flaws is here up to checking this phone number. Let's move into the higher order. Let's check it. 1889, if it is correct, then multiply this by 5. Okay, and it gives 9500 minus 55. So it gives 9445 plus 1, right? So here is plus 1. Here if we take, this is 78 into 2 plus not 3 but plus 1, right? And here just make it a clear one, right? Now if you take this, so 156, 157. So 157 multiplied by 3, this means 3 less than 160, that means 339. So 471 plus 1, yeah, it's satisfied. So 472 into 4, that means 8, 4728, 1880 plus 1, yeah, this satisfied. So option B is the correct choice. That is, this is not 159 but 157. Though you should not calculate the correct number. If you can get the logic without calculating the exact number, the correct number in that particular place, this is okay. You just need to find out the correct logic on the basis that which number is the wrong one. That's it. Moving to next, 3647. So what is the difference? Plus 9 plus 25. Okay, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 49. Yeah, satisfied. Then 7, 9 square, 81. Now it's not satisfying. So this is 201. Let's see whether the next part satisfied or not. This is 9. So 121 plus. So 121, 1, 2, 3, 22. Yeah, satisfied on the basis of this 201. So this is not 191 but 201. This is the wrong one. Moving to next, 36. Okay, so this is minus 2. This is a new kind of logic. This is minus 30. This is minus 56. This is minus 90. This is minus 132. Yeah. See, forget about the symbol for the time being, but check this number: 2, 12, 30, 56, 90, 132. If you can't practice this kind of question, if you have not practiced this kind of question, this may sound some difficult while you are in examination. See, this is a very specific logic and very interesting logic. 2, can we write it like 1 into 2? This is 3 into 4. This is 5 into 6. This is 7 into 8. So consecutive two numbers starting from the 1, it gets multiplied in each of these difference. This is 9 into 10. This is 11 into 12. Very easy. So this series is correct one. There is no wrong term, and this is a new kind of options is given here. That series is correct. Even in the wrong number series, this kind of options may be there. If you feel that the series is correct and your logic is perfectly well, that you can mark the series is correct. Okay, that's it. Moving to next question, number 8 is here. So this is clear multiplication of 4. This can't be 4. See, if you multiply this by 4, 576, that means 2000 is already there. 76 means 280, so something less than that. So what it would be? It would be multiplied by 4. If we multiply 32 by 4, it gives us what it will be? 64, 128 plus 16, right? So this gets multiplied by 4.5. Understood? First, I am taking the multiplication of with this 32. This gives 128, and what is how much left from less from this 144? That is 16. Now when the 16 comes, it readily clicked my mind that this is half of 32. So 0.5 is again multiplied to this 32. So 32 multiplied by 4.5, this 144. Now 144 multiplied by 4, this gives 576. So what should be the logic? That means this multiplied by 3.5. Let's see whether it's satisfied or not. So 288 is the half, and then 3, that means this is 8, 3, 6, 27, 15, 17, 17, 28. That means 8, 8, 6, 801920. Yeah, so 2016 satisfied. We have to find out the missing number. The next term should be 2016 multiplied by 3 only. So 6048. This is the answer. Option C is the correct choice. Moving to next. Take again the difference here. 4.5, 9, double. And this is 18, again double. 36. Whenever this 4.5, 9, 18, already 3 differences comes, we generally intend to calculate whether this is difference is 36 or not. See, this is 36, 41.5 plus 36, 77.5. Okay, satisfied. Then 72, definitely. So all these terms 10, 14.5, 23.5, 41.5, 77.5 are correct. Now 77.5 plus 72, which gives 149.5. So this is the wrong. Okay, moving to next. 121. Again take the difference here, because the difference is not that long. Okay, so first difference is 24. Okay, next is 26. Next is 28. While we are getting these 3 consecutive 3 differences are in their 7 level difference constant, that means 2, 2, 2, right? 2, 2, 24, 26, 28. Generally we are intended to calculate that whether this is 30 or not. Yeah, 199 plus 30, 229, right? So the next one is plus 32, 229 plus 32. So this is 261, option C, right? Very easy. You can solve it in no time, right? Okay, now moving to solve some quadratic equation. Okay, what should be the approach here? See, here positive to negative sign change. Again, negative to positive sign change. So 2 sign change is there. So definitely 2 positive value comes. Here also positive to negative, negative to positive. 2 sign change. That means 2 positive value comes, right? Okay, so value of x would be, what should be the factorize of this 88, so that the sums of these two factors gives us 19, the value. That means 8 and 11. What is the value for y? That means 5 into 7, right? Okay, the factors, that means 5 plus 7, that is 12. Okay, so if we take individual value, that is for value of 8, the value of x, check these 2 values of y, that means 5 and 7, both are less than x. And again, if 8 is greater than both 5 and 7, then 11, that is confident enough that answer is x greater than y. That means option A, right? Moving to next. This is 20x, that means 4 into 5. here is some factor, right, with the square term, and here 176, that means 11 into 6. If you take 64, 55, randomly I am taking, see if it's satisfied, 109. So this is, yeah, so 109, it sounds good. So again, 2 sign change, so 2 positive symbol would be there, positive values, right? So this is 3.2 and this is 2.75. Understood? How am I writing these values? Because both these values you have to divide it by 20. So first divide by 2 and then divide by 10. Very easy. First divided by 2, that is 32, divided by 10, 3.2, 55, that is 27.5, divided by 10, 2.75, right? Now, very important note here for second set, that is, if this 3y plus 4 is exactly divisible, this whole part, the numerator part, right, only then this 0 comes on the right hand side. So definitely the factor of y should be minus 4.3, one factor. So now write this, that is 6y cube minus 13y square minus 10y plus 24. Now what is the factor? Minus 4 by 3. So here is value 6 minus 13 minus 10, 24, right? On this value we will further work upon. So first we will take 0. This is the rule. First you have to write 0 here. So what it will give? That is 6. The difference, right? Difference or sum, because both are positive. So this comes up as 6. Now this 6, you have to multiply this by minus 4.3. What it will give? To minus 8. Okay, so minus 8, this is minus 21. This minus 21, you have to multiply it again to this minus 4.3. This gives plus 28. Right? So this is plus 18. Again this plus 18, 6 minus 24. And this is done with. So now we can write this is as 6y square minus 21y plus 18, which is equal to 0. Now this is 6 into 18 means 108. What should be the factor so that this 21 comes? That is 9 into 12, right? So value of y, this is 2 and 1.5. Now the value of y is 2 and 1.5 and value of x is 3.2 and 2.75. That means both these values are greater than both the values of y in any combination, right? Any possible combination. That is x greater than y is the answer here. So what is the option? That is again option A, right? This is the answer. Now moving to next. This is x to the power 3 by 2 minus 81 by root x equals to 0. So you can take like this. So x square equals to 81. So plus minus square root of 81, that is plus minus 9. What should be the value of y? Y equals to 100. This is 81 divided by 16 and this is plus minus. So 9 by 4, that means 2.25 and plus minus. Even if you can answer these questions without solving these factors of x and y. How? See, here x square comes. So definitely whenever you at the left hand side you find out that x square value you have to find out, right? So then positive and negative value comes. Again for y, positive and negative value comes. If in each of this set for x and y positive and negative value both are present there, then you can surely conclude that this would be a C and D, can't be determined, right? Moving to next, x square. So this is 289 minus 169 minus 121. So this is 120 minus 121. This is 120 minus 121. So value of x is minus 1. And for y, this is 4936 and 49 itself sums up to 13. That means the value of y 1 and 2.25. 4 divided by 4 and 9 divided by 4, that is 2.25. Now this is x less than y, or yeah, x less than y. So our option is D, and here C and D, that means E, right? Okay, moving to next. Here is a DI set. Please read it once and understand the data is given here. One pie chart and one table is given. Pie chart is about the number of people working in night shift from various industries, and the total number of people is given, and the percentage in each of the department is also given. And what signifies the table? That is the percentage of female in each of the industries, right? So that's it, and the total number of people is given. Please try to answer the given 3 questions here. And before understand one important thing, that before understanding the question given in the particular question, if there is any vacant place, any missing kind di is given, don't go with solving that part first. First read the question. Whenever you feel that you have to solve it out, that particular vacant place, then solve that particular, and on the basis of that, if you feel that any other related data you have to solve it out, only then it is okay. Otherwise, without knowing or without checking the questions, if you just flow with solving the data set first, this is not to be done. This is quite a mismanagement of time, I can say. Okay, so first understand the question. On the basis of that particular, if you feel that some missing states are there, you have to solve it out, then solve it. That is okay, right? So I am just telling you this part, but here there is no missing data. All data are available. Please read the data set and read the questions as well and tell me the answers. We will start after a few moments. Okay. See, here the total number of people given. This is the respective department. Percentage of people is given, and percentage of female from various industries. This percentage is given, right? This percentage depends on this percentage value, the overall percentage value in a particular department. Okay. Now see, question number 15 is here. What is the difference between the total number of men and total number of women working in night shift from all the industries together? Now, very important note. Solving this question, you may take 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, but also you can say solve this question within 30 seconds. What you will do? Generally, the people do that, find out all the data here, this percentage value, and then individual females data, again this percentage value to absolute value, and take the difference of these two, then very lengthy calculation. But here we will not do all those stuff, absolutely not. What we will do, what should be the smart approach, that is difference between the total number of men and total number of women, it is asked, right? So why not, if we find out the difference between the total percentage of male and female, will it be okay? Absolutely. And the difference between the total number of men and women, it asked, right? So what is the difference between the percentage? Simply this percentage we get multiplied with 1% value. Is it okay? This is 40250, this is 100%. So what is 1%? That is 402.5, right? So this is the 1% value. Forget about that, this can't be 1%. I understand that this is the number of people is given, so decimal would not serve well. But yes, that is also not given. Whatever the number of percentage value is given here, 18%, 32%, that's all are integer value. Definitely it will give some integer value. But yes, for our betterness, I am taking 1% value. Why? Because the difference between their percentage, between men and total women percentage, the difference between the two, we will take it first and then take the multiplication with 1% of that particular percentage value. That's absolutely fine and gives the answer in a very rapid pace. See, first what we will do, just separate the men and women percentage in each of the department, right? How will you do that? First, sport. See, sport, 20%, 20% means 20% female, 80% male, that means 1 part female, 4 part male. Just remember that upper part is male for male and lower part is for female. That is this diagram follows. And in call center 45%. This means this is 45%. We can write it down 9 unit and this would be 11 unit. Now, what it would be? Sales. Sales means 60%. 60% is a female. That means this is 3 part and this is 2 part. What it would be for banking? For banking, 40% female. That means here it will be 2 and male is 3. What is for chemical engineering or chemical industry? That is 15%. That means this is 3 part, this is 17 part. right? If you multiply this by 5, this is 15, 85, 85 plus 15, that is 100, okay, right? For IT, that is 20%. Again, this is 1, this is 4. Now, just take total main part. So this is 5, that means 3.6, 3.6 into 4, that is 14.4 percentage value, but I am not write down the percentage, only take the sums of the all those percentage value, okay. Just keep that thing in mind that this is percentage value. Finally, we have to multiply the difference of this 2 percentage by 402.5, that is okay, right? So in call center, done its 4, and now call center, so total is 20 unit, 20 means 1.6, 1.6 means, so for main this is 17.6. Next 5, 1.6 means 3.2, right? What is next? This is 3.2, and the next is 5 means 2.8 means 8.4 plus 20, 20 means 8 means 0.8, 0.8 means 13.6, right? Am I correct here? And the next, that is IT, right? IT sector. This is 5 means 2.4, again this is 9.6. Sums this up, that means this is 32, 32 plus 22, 25.2 plus 9.6, that means 34, 68, 66, yeah, this is 66.8. and for female or woman, both are same here, no differences is given because all are female and women. See what is the total number of men and women, and here is female. Some mismanagement in words, but yes, here you can understand that female and were